Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the Connecting Thoughts Conversation Cheat Sheet. Do you know how to connect ideas in your target language? With this cheat sheet, you'll learn the sentence structure X, but Y, plus must-know adverbs for connecting ideas. So download it for free right now. Second, the How to Stay Motivated with Language Learning ebook. If you want to know secrets and tricks that will help you stay motivated so you can stay consistent with your language journey and finally become fluent, you'll want this ebook. Download it right now. Third, can you talk about herbs and spices in your target language? Learn how to say garlic, ginger, pepper, and much more with this quick vocabulary bonus. Fourth, the 20 must-know hygiene words. If you're learning the language but don't know how to say toilet paper, soap, or toothpaste, then you definitely need this 1-minute vocabulary lesson. Fifth, do you know how to talk about the weather in your target language? If you don't, access this 1-minute lesson to learn 40 weather-related words and phrases. If you want to learn these words fast, use the free audio slideshow tool inside the lesson. Sixth, looking for a new language learning app? With the Innovative 101 app, you'll learn language fast and start speaking in minutes because the audio and video lessons are just 3 to 15 minutes long. Learning is that easy. Download Innovative 101 for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, get 33% off Premium or Premium Plus with the Monster Sale. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the lesson description below. Download them right now before they expire.